Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, classes and real-time interview questions and answers. Part 14. What is derived column transformation in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is derived column transformation in SSIS. The derived column transformation in SSIS is used to create new columns or modify existing columns in your data flow by applying expressions. It's part of a data flow task and is typically used to perform on-the-fly calculations, string operations, or data formatting before loading data into destination. Key capabilities are: create new columns, add new derived columns using expressions, replacing existing columns, overwrite existing columns or existing column values with new calculated ones. Use SSIS expressions. It performs arithmetic, string, conditional or data operations. It handles nulls and conditions using functions like isNull, null and conditional operations. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS, that is called SQL Server Integration Services. I am creating new package here and I am renaming it as derived column. To test a derived column, we have to take data flow task. In data flow task, I am trying to take one file. For that, I am taking flat file source. I am connecting this flat file source and I am making a connection for this. I am browsing particular file. Here, I'm trying to take the source file CSV, which is having some data and columns names in the first data row, and employee ID, first name, last name, gender, job title, department and salary, hire date, email, phone number. These are the different columns available in this file. And if you preview the data, you can see all the data over here. Now we try to match first name and last name, and from gender you can take only F and M, and if it is male then we can take M or F, something like that. We try to create some conditions on this. Now I'm going to take derived column transformation. Here we can derive different columns. Now these are the different columns that we are going to derive here. First column name is, I am giving it as full name. Here I am adding new column. Why? Because based on two columns I am going to take here first name plus and I'm taking last name. We are combining these two names. This is one of the condition. And second one would be gender column. Gender, one column I'm going to create here. It is also a new column. What I'm going to do here is, from gender I'll use a substring to get the first character. For this we have to go for the string functions. In string functions we are having different functions like this. Substring is the function. This is the function that we are going to use here. When to when this gender I have to take. In gender string type, I am going to take from first character to first one. This is the substring function that I have used, and I am creating another column which is gender. Now here what I will do is, I'll try to make one condition here. Here gender is equal to male. If gender is equal to male, then we have to use the question mark here. Then M, we are making it like this, else F. What in this condition, what we are trying to do is, if gender is equal to male, then we are making that column as M, else F. And final condition that I am trying to create over here is on department. For example, on department, what I am trying to do is, I am replacing this department column here, and here I am going to make this as string functions like uppercase. These are the different in the first condition, I am just matching first name and last name. In second condition, these are the three columns that I am creating here. I am using substring and taking first like character, and in the second third gender column, I am just creating a condition here. If it is male, then M, else F. And for the department, I am just replacing the department column itself and making that column as upper. If it is lower, it will convert that row into upper. And I am trying to load this table into OLEDB destination, that is SQL Server. I am trying to make a connection. I am taking this demo GKey. I am creating a new table here. I am creating a new table, derived column. See here what happened. Full name, gender and gender to these three columns have been created, and fourth column department we are replacing already existing thing, and mappings also done correctly, and we are executing this package. From the source there are 50 records, and in target also 50 records got inserted. We'll try to check the data. This is the derived column, is the table name that we have created over there. Let us check these things. See, full name, it is like mentioned, first name and last name has been combined to a full name. From gender, one we are taking first character from all the genders, and this is the condition that we have made. And for department, previously it was like small caps, like small letters, we have converted into uppercase. This is how the derived column transformation is used to create a new column or replace the existing column based on different conditions and expressions used. This is about a derived column, which is the most important transformation, most prevalently used in SSIS packages. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.